Hello, this is Team 4C IT Project 1001 on cloud computing. Traditionally, companies have servers that hold services and data. As more people use the service, more servers are required. This is both costly and time-consuming to build. Let us introduce to you cloud computing. What is cloud computing? The cloud is the internet. Some service providers of cloud computing include Google, Salesforce, and Amazon. Three characteristics of cloud computing include scalability, subscription, and management by a third party. Imagine putting a website on a cloud server just like you would on a dedicated server. And when people start visiting your website, if suddenly you need more computing power dedicated to your website, you could scale up as much as you need almost instantly. And when your traffic dips back down, you could release the servers back to the cloud just as easily. This is known as scalability. Secondly, cloud services are provided on a subscription basis, also known as pay-as-you-go. Just like electricity, you're only billed for the amount of cloud computing service that you use. Thirdly, some third-party providers are Amazon and Google. This erases the need for servicing, updates, or backups of hardware. Three types of cloud services: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. The infrastructure supports the platform, and the platform supports the software. Cloud services are web browser-based, and there is no need to install them on your computer. They are free softwares on the web that can be used by the individual. There are two main benefits of cloud services over traditional software. One, you don't need to update them manually as they are done by the providers automatically. Two, you can use them anytime and any place as they are web browser based and all you need is an internet connection. Platform as a service provides tools to develop and support the application. Platform as a service. The platform provides essential tools to develop and support cloud applications. Infrastructure as a service. Some service providers are GoGrid and Amazon. The infrastructure that they provide includes servers, data center space, and network equipment. This allows startup companies to lower their capital expenditure on IT infrastructure.
But wait a minute.
It all sounds perfect. What are some of the downsides of cloud computing? People who use cloud computing have to frequently provide their identity every time they use a new internet-based application, using online forms and providing personal information such as name, address, and credit card number. This data is stored on someone else's server, not the company's hardware. What if this information was sold to third parties? In fact, Google uses this information to target ads to users. Users expect their data to have similar privacy protection as they would if they were using their own hardware. But this is not true. The very fact that users put their data out there strips any expectation of privacy.
What the?
Other than privacy issues, there are also issues on performance and economics of scale. Latency is a problem faced by cloud computing users. Latency is the time that elapses from the request for data and its delivery. It depends on things such as server speed and the handling capacity of the host server. Cloud services are subjected to site maintenance and outages. Imagine how outages would be affecting your business where time is of essence and money. Therefore, consumers need to make informed choices about the reputation of service providers and choose the ones that are renowned for having multiple services.
Yep, that is right.
While it may be profitable for smaller companies to engage a hosting company for handling of their data instead of creating their own hosting services, it may not be profitable for larger companies to keep paying hosting companies for large daily users. It may be more economically sound to host their own data and achieve economies of scale in the long run. What are the future trends on usage of cloud computing? In school, it will be used as teaching tools such as videos and software. At work, for collaboration of data to enhance productivity. At home, data sharing is made easy. Many people are already using Flickr and YouTube. However, cloud computing will not enter the banking session. Banks have constant flow of customers and sensitive information not to be released. Similarly, military information is highly sensitive and classified and unlikely to use third-party servers.
Thank you, that's all folks.